Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope that all of you will be doing well in your lives. May Allah makes your lives happy and prosperous. So, today I'm going to share an incident with my sweet and loving viewers that happened long ago when I was 14 years old. This incident actually occurred when one night I was sleeping in my bed, but due to light blackout and as it was summer, I woke up because of excessive sweating. I felt that I need to use the washroom. So, after using the washroom as I was about to leave, I heard that someone is whispering behind me. I looked behind, but I didn't find anyone there. And as I turned around, the same things happened repeatedly and repeatedly over and over again. So, at the very moment I realized that something is wrong. So, I rushed out of the washroom, and as I was very nervous, but fortunately, I saw my brother in the kitchen and I cried out. I cried out to him, so he rushed toward me and he consoled me. The time had passed, but I still think that what actually it was who was whispering again and again, and when I was about to search it, it didn't it didn't reveal its identity.